Nintendo Switch not charging? Watch this quick video. Gone to use your Switch and it's not working. Plugged it in. And it doesn't charge. It doesn't turn on. Turn on the plug switch. This would help. Haha. And this charger icon doesn't move or turn on. And it turns off. So annoying. Here's how to fix. Hold power button down until it disappears. About 10 seconds. It's gone. Now leave to charge for about 3 hours. A few hours later, turn on as normal. Looking good. Congratulations. You can now play. Oh, wait. Panic. What's happened? Phew, just power saving. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helped.